everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the Crew. I'm Rebecca and I'm so happy to have you guys here today. Today we have another Dollar Tree video to show you guys what's new, what's in restock at your local store. This video is for Friday, June the 21st, 2024. So let's go shopping and see what is new. We're first going to look over in the apparel and accessories. Lately they've been carrying a lot of these novelty socks. You get one pair and it says it fits shoe size like 6 to 12 for men, but really anybody could wear them, of course. And they have lots of different brands. Lately I've been finding newer ones that I haven't seen before. And some stores will get a whole bunch of them, all the different brands. And then a few stores might only get like 3 or 4. I don't really know what the difference is, but it's just kind of hit and miss which store gets what. More often than not, recently I've been finding them closer to the front of the store. I think they're getting ready to start putting out some back to school items already. And so I think they're gearing those towards the back to school like clothing type thing. But you can find them in the back by the regular socks where they usually keep them. There's a lot of pantyhose and stuff back there as well that we've seen over the last few weeks by Hanes. So make sure you check those out. But they even had some new ones like Kung Fu Panda, which I hadn't seen before. And of course they've got the SpongeBob SquarePants, and they even had a few of the Star Wars socks, which I saw about 2 months ago. And then they kind of disappeared and then they brought them back. So if you haven't seen the Star Wars socks yet, you get 2 pair for the $1.25. So now over into the arts and crafts, they have more of the Mod Podge and the gloss and matte, which they've restocked. And if you haven't seen it yet, they're also carrying it now in the dishwasher safe. We've also got this lace crochet by Crafter's Square. You get 78.7 inches and you've got it in either the white or the ivory. It's a really nice lace trim. They have their Helltail keychains. You can get the blue, purple, red, and yellow pack. There's also the pastels. So you get 2 shades of pink, purple, and blue. And then they have the solid black. These are super popular right now. Great to use with the Cricut. Now they have those crafters box with those 9 mini trays. And it's like a tiny little container you could use, which would be great for like diamond dot painting to separate your diamonds or rhinestones. We also have this crafting box where you can move the inserts to make your sections bigger or smaller depending on what your need is. Then we've got the 2-pack of the dowel rods. These are 15.75 inches long and 0.5 inches round. We also have the Praying Mini watercolors. These are fun. You get 15 different colors. It even comes with a paintbrush. Great for kids like traveling for an activity that they could do. And the baby toddler aisle, we have a bunch of the belly stickers. Those are those milestone stickers that people like to use for pictures for their baby's first year. We've got Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. You can see all the different months with the characters next to it. And then they have some different ones. So this one has like brand new, which is for the newborn. And there's different milestone stickers like I rolled over, I sat up, I took my first steps. Then we've got the Sesame Street milestone stickers. We've got like Cookie Monster, Elmo, Oscar the Grouch. And then we even have one for the big sister or big brother. Over in health and beauty, we'll first start with the cosmetics. We have the mascara by Be Pure. It's a hydrating mascara with hyaluronic acid. We've also got the BI Beauty Intuition, 3 different kinds of mascara, and some new nails. So this is no glue needed. Comes with the adhesive stickers. You get 12 nails, and there's some really bright, pretty colors for summer. I like how they kind of geared it towards summer, but you also have some softer muted tones as well. Then we've got that Sally Hansen nail polish. There's the triple shine, or you can get the fuzzy coat, and they have those in a couple different colors. I mostly saw them in the blue and yellow. I know they look separated, but you just have to shake them. We have some more of the sweet shop items. This is the 12 press-on nails. You got like cupcakes and things like that. They also have the sweet shop nail polish and blue and purple or pink and blue. This one has a little bit of glitter. And then we've got this pack just for girls nail polish. It looks like a cupcake, and some that look like ice cream cones. Those are also the Just for Girls brand. You can see the one has glitter. We have the Sweet Shop lip balm and lip gloss. They have the new lip balm that looks like a smoothie. I thought that was really cute with the strawberry smoothie. I love the packaging. There's also the sparkle nail polish and the sprinkle lip gloss. And these are both vanilla scented. And now for the hair care items. We have these mini claw clips. You get 8 pieces. There's the white, kind of like a gold color. There's a dark blue, tan, and a burgundy. And we've got these elastics. You get the shades of pink or blue. The scrunchies in the 3-pack, which is a really great buy. You can either get the pink or the blue pack. And this one's the the blue and purple. We have some large headbands with the top knot with a little bit of ruching down the side. They have them in the black and the white. You can see it on the side, the decorative pattern. They also have them in purple. And then more of like an ivory. They also have it in this light blue. Then we have these cushion fashion headbands in purple. That's a matching scrunchie. And you can also get them in pink. So there's like a lot of stuffing in it, so it sits kind of high. There's also the scrunchie to match that one. Then there's the Freeman Deep Clean Dry Shampoo. Over in the pharmacy and personal care, they had these new Eco Tools loofahs. So it's double-sided, so you can just move the strap from one side to the other. At Target and Walmart, they're like $5. That's a really great buy for $1.25, and they had a bunch of them. They also have just the traditional loofahs, also a really great buy because they're $1.25, but they're cost way more at other stores, and they have those in a couple of different colors. Then we've got the ear nose trimmer. These were new. It says they're portable. You can take them on a plane. They are safe to travel with, and they have those on those plastic strips hanging down the aisles. For fun finds, we have this Squish and Knot Ramen. It's like a sensory toy for stress relief. It just says you can knot them, squish them. They just look like wavy noodles. They also have these balls that you can throw with all the different suction cups. It's also a sensory toy. The donut novelty erasers in a 6-pack. I thought these are really cute. They're decorated all different. They look very realistic. I think kids would love those. We've also got the Body Raves bath bomb. This is strawberry lemonade, and this one's melon scented. And then they have this soap that look just like the smiley faces, and those are different scents also. For home decor this week, we have more of the glass candle holders in black. And you can see there's a couple different styles. We also have these votives. And then these decorative mirrors, which are new with the frame. The frame is plastic. They have these decorative wall pieces that say fresh cut flowers and welcome to our garden. Looks like a large tag with beads at the top. We have some vertical hanging pictures that you can hang together. They kind of go together as a set, but they are sold separately. For the office supplies, home library, and teaching tree section, we have the outdoor chalk. You get 20 large pieces of chalk. They have their storage bins with the magnets on the back and a couple of new colors. I always use these for my filing cabinets to keep like paper clips, push pins, rubber bands, even rhinestones and things like that. They have the smaller ones. They're great for any kind of metal container or even a dry erase board. They have them in quite a few different colors right now. You get the 1 large or the 2 small. So you can see they've got like the gray, the dark blue, purple, pink. We have the magnetic clips in the 2-pack. These are heavy duty. They hold a lot of paper. You can either get them in the white or the black. We have some fun books like the fill in numbers and fill in words. They've got the word search puzzle fun every day. And they have a couple different versions. These are like a larger book that have the large puzzles that are themed. And then we've got this one, and it has like a vacation theme. And then the code word books, which I have recently been using, and I think they're a lot of fun to play with. So make sure you guys check those out over in Housewares. We've got these toolboxes restocked by Toolbench and the wall hooks. These are really nice because they come with all the hardware to hang them, including the anchors for the wall, for the ones that go in the wall. And then they have, of course, the drawer pulls also. There's a couple different designs and a couple of different colors. We've also got these buttons. And usually they can get a few with like different colors, but recently they've just been all dark brown and blue buttons. I haven't seen the colorful ones lately, so I hope they bring those back soon. Over in the kitchen and pantry aisle, we've got a bunch of these pot holders that are just like the hand mitts. They even had some out for Christmas already. They had the Christmas patterns with like the hollies and the plaid, and it's by Simple Kitchen. They are just $1.25. Then they had some really pretty ones, like this one's a light gray and white. They also had some floral patterns. And then this is a soft tan. You could also get light gray. And it is just one for $1.25. So if you want a set, you'll have to buy two. They have the plaid with the blue or the orange. Looks a little bit more fall oriented. And then over in the party supplies, we have some of the Let's Get Wild party supplies. They have the napkins and the novelty plates with like tigers and monkeys. And then for those plates, you'll get 14. They're 7 by 7 inches. They also have these new paper lanterns. You get those in a 3-pack. You get one of each color. I actually bought a pack, so I'm going to do a video just to see how they go together and see what they're like. And I'll show you guys. Then we've got the fringe chandeliers. They have those in the gold and the silver. And then some fun headbands. These are a shimmer headband for parties. They have like the silver. They have pink. There's a blue. I think there was purple. There's quite a few different colors. And then over in the seasonal items, they're starting to put out some fall items, especially some repeats, like the votives with the leaf in it that you can see kind of through the glass. They also have their glow sticks with the like pumpkins and skeletons on them. They're 6 inches. Those are the ones that you can use as like a necklace so that they don't, so people can see them when they're out trick-or-treating. They even have some bracelets as well. I think you get 2, but I'm not 100% sure if you get 2. They show 2 on the package though. Then over in the toys and games, we've got these new 3D layered pictures. It's like a craft kit that the kids can build and put together, and you can also paint them. They had the Spider-Man. There's all the directions inside and on the back. They also have the Disney Princess 3D layered picture. And then we have Minnie Mouse with Daisy Duck. You can see they have the paint. There's a paintbrush. I think there's even some stickers inside. And then for the Dollar Tree Plus items, these can be anywhere from like $1.50 to $7, I believe. They have these stainless steel water bottles. Has the built-in straw. Also the little clip on the side so you can hang it. It says it is double walled. They have the stainless steel tumblers that are 24 ounces, which I showed you guys last week. It says it keeps the things hot and cold. The extra large squishmallow type pillows. They have the cupcakes. And then we've got the jumbo jigglies. These are like a stretchy style toy. It's Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse. It says squeezy gummy feel. There's 3 styles. So you get either Mickey, Minnie, or Stitch. And these are $3. We have some new summer towels. These are the beach towels. This one says Hello Summer. We also have the sunset with the palm trees for $5. And there's a couple with just like stripes. There's the sunset. One of my favorite is the one that's watermelon. It has like an ombre effect that fades up. It's really pretty. You can see what it looks like on the tag. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. It would really help me out. And if you click that bell for notifications, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video and if I have anything else to share with you throughout the week. Thank you guys so very much. I appreciate you. I hope you all have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you next time.